To install the NextFit convertible car seat with latch in the forward-facing position, begin by locating the top tether storage on the back of the NextFit. Open the compartment, squeeze the adjuster button, and pull down to loosen the strap. Then unhook the tether clip and close the compartment. Next, squeeze the recline adjustment handle and push back to adjust to an upright position. Place the NextFit on your vehicle seat in forward-facing position. Make sure the base is flat against the vehicle seating surface and is not blocking the vehicle seat belt buckle. Lay the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. Check that the headrest of the vehicle seat does not interfere with the headrest of the NextFit. Refer to the bubble level indicator. Make sure that the bubble falls between the two lines for forward-facing installation. Readjust recline as necessary. Locate the latch connector storage compartments and remove the latch connectors. Make sure the latch adjuster strap labeled Pull First and the Super Cinch latch tightener strap labeled Pull Second are loosened to their full length. Next, grab both ends of the latch straps and slide them into the red forward-facing opening on both sides. Close both latch connector storage compartments. Locate the latch anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both latch connectors to the anchor bars. Pull up on the latch adjuster strap, labeled Pull First, to tighten and remove the slack. Then, pull down on the Super Cinch latch tightener strap, labeled Pull Second, to secure the NextFit in place. Locate the tether anchor in your vehicle. Attach the tether hook and pull the adjuster strap to tighten. Lastly, check your work by holding the NextFit at the belt path and pulling side to side and forward. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Check to make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for forward-facing installation. If necessary, loosen the latch and tether straps, readjust recline, and repeat installation steps to make sure the NextFit is installed properly.